How to use Twitter or X, a full beginner's guide. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is open up the application and you're going to see a few different things. So the first thing you're going to see is you're going to be on your homepage, and by default, you're going to be on your For You tab. I can even snooze certain topics if I want to by clicking where it says For You. And if I only want to see pages I follow, for example, I don't follow this page, maybe I don't want to see it, I can go over to the next tab, which is the Following tab, and I can see things directly here as well. What I can also do, if I scroll down, I can obviously see different posts. I can press this plus icon if I want to add a new tweet or anything like that. If I want to maybe go to my profile and customize it, go to the top left where it has your profile icon, click your profile, and then you can, change anything here if you want to go ahead and do that as well. But there's obviously a lot of different things you can do. For example, if I like this post, I can go ahead and heart it. If I want to comment something, press the comment icon right there. And if I want to go ahead and repost it so my followers can see it and everything, go ahead and press that the looping arrows icon and then check repost and different things like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it.